Urhobo mewa do Ekuakua me igwe kebo wani emeyo mebe yo motero wa oyo no Urhobo ayeru we bi oranwe Christy ogene nyeru happy igo umukoro no na megu no ta pare Ekuakua Ugboma na Mrẹn things that can be found in the body, which is part of the body. Ekuakua Ugboma na parts of the body that are seen. Ekuakua Ugboma na kide Ekuakua Ugboma na Ekuakua Ugboma eye Ekuakua sansan ogene mare evuru Ugboma mevo nwe esoro okosa wodi okura po nunena Ekuakua na evora Mrẹn ke emego no takpa na ore soso eto hair uyomi head ovaro face arare forehead eye ubiero eyeball oran ear egban cheek unwe nose agboto shin ugbunu mouth eberu ugbunu that's lip lip anko teeth erere tongue ohore neck igabo shoulder igabo udu chest evie breast obo hand erubo elbow iriambo fingers efabo fingernails evun stomach uhohi navel ehun waist ugbuko that is back ikebe buttocks owo leg ukpogowo thighs ugbon knee uvowo calf. This is it. Uvowo calf. Then erwowo is ankle. Irianwo toe. Efawo toenails. Irianwo toenails. Efawo is toenails, while irianwo is toe. Toe. Efawo toenails. Then eherowo foot. Eherobo palm. Ohoro boy me kasa ta pobo ire. Ohoro means I want to talk as a vagina. Ohoro. Ubi ohoro. Ubi ohoro means clitoris. Then osho. Osho. Penis. Osho. Irite. 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 Testis. Irite. Testis. Unuson. Anuso. The one when they inside, so maybe unuso. Please, I want to end my lecture for today here. Next class we'll talk about maybe another topic that will concern the intestine and the other parts of the body. Today I want to plead that everybody try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on TikTok. You can catch up with me on Facebook as well and other social media platforms. Please kindly follow your sister, Urhobo language tutor online, and I will be very grateful. Urhobo of Urhobo. Urhobo mena vowena of Urhobo. Urhobo oseme voloni mena of Urhobo. Urhobo oshari mena of Urhobo. Wado Mrẹn kesi efa o. Mi wego no ruwa o.